name is Scrap Queen, and did you like the walkthrough of my new album? Okay, did you like it? I hope you did, because I have made a kit for you, and this kit is enormous. I put so much inside, and I hope you like it. So everything that you see in this album you will get in the kit, on except for one thing. The cardstock, and I use black this time, is not in the kit. That's never in my kit, except for the baby album. But anyways, it's normally never ever in my kit. So the cardstock you really need to buy yourself. You can choose any color you like to use. That's not in the kit. But anything else you will see that I used in this kit is there. Yeah, it is. Alright, so once you open your box, and if you are interested to get this kit, then you will get this. I'm going to show you. So of course, the ribbon. The nice ribbon set is inside. I used that all. Of course, the beautiful cardstock, the journaling card that I create myself to add to this kit is in here, and it includes 40 cards, 8 designs, 8 double-sided designs, each time 5 times. So get this, guys, get this. Alright, of course the flower set, it's a big flower set. I did not use any flower, but you can explore them, you can use them. Even the fluffy thread is inside. Of course, a bag of embellishments. All the gemstones are inside, all the brads and eyelets are inside. And I not even included one bronze butterfly, but even 2 bronze butterflies. Then of course we have the tag sheet, the word sheet, and the butterfly sheet that came with the paper collection. I have a nice little introduction. The swirl pattern is inside. Of course, the pocket die is inside 2 times, same as I used. The journaling papers are inside, of course. Then we have a clear sheet I used. We have the burlap for the spine, and we have the chipboard, a nice 12 by 12 piece, and we have 4 times the UHK Gallery Winter in Avalon. 4 times, guys. So you will have enough papers to use all of this. So I hope you will be fast, because I don't have that many. So yep. Order it, send me an email to get this, to get more information how to get this. It's just easy. Just send me an email, guys, and you will have it. You can make this beautiful mini album. Just send me an email. Just send me an email and ask me. Just please, for those who really want to be fast, just send me an email that you are interested in this album and that you want one kit. There is nothing else. Well, the journaling cards are separately if you want, but this full kit, just send me an email. The email is below this video. It's in every single video to be found down below in the description box. Just send me an email. Oh, maybe it's convenient for me that you right away tell me where you live, so I can give you the calculation of the shipping. It's just being January 2023, and I know the shipping cost is changing, so I need to calculate again to see what the best shipping option is. This is a 12 by 12, so I hope it's still a good price. But anyways, I'm getting this too long. But anyway, so send me an email if you like this. Bye bye.